Have you ever wished to live in a city with no pollution, minimal traffic, world-class architecture, and no crime rate? Well, this might seem like the thought of a utopian world, but Toyota has revealed a master plan to build a futuristic city of the same model in the heart of Japan at the base of Mount Fuji. Called the Woven City, the city is set to be built on a 175-acre site, and it is a fully connected ecosystem powered by hydrogen fuel cells, and is primarily built to accommodate Toyota's workers, researchers, and retailers. This amazing city will be using innovative street designs, autonomous vehicles, eco-friendly energy resources, and much more. That's why today, we have decided to talk about what's inside Japan's $10 billion city of the future. But before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos like this one. And having said that, let's get into the video. Toyota announced this smart town at the beginning of 2020, and despite there being several years for the city to transform, here are some of the features it would be having. Holding such importance for the development of more futuristic cities globally, Toyota has ensured that it leaves no stone unturned for its planning. To design this structure, the famous Danish architect Bjarke Ingels has been employed, the founder and creative director of Bjarke Ingels Group, BIG. His team at BIG has designed many high-profile projects, from 2 World Trade Center in New York and Lego House in Denmark, to Google's Mountain View and London headquarters. The city is set to host up to 2,000 people, including the workers of Toyota and the researchers who will be studying the patterns of the futuristic city, and will be using them to craft the latest technologies related to automobiles, robotics, and personal mobilities. A very interesting subject in this town is houses. The houses are set to be made from wood, and the wooden pieces will be joined together with the help of traditional Japanese joining processes. There will be no glue, welds, or nails, just simple joining and fitting. The rooftops will be covered in photovoltaic panels in addition to power generated by hydrogen fuel cells. Toyota plans to weave in the outdoors throughout the city with native vegetation and hydroponics. The excess energy from the solar panels will be used to power the street lights of the cities, ensuring none of the energy is wasted. The houses will be accommodating the families of the workers, researchers, and technicians. Alongside them, the retirees will be in the city as well. Therefore, the houses will be built specifically to aid the aged, and special robots and AI will be designated for these tasks. The residences would be equipped with smart home technology, such as in-home robotics, to assist daily living. The homes will use sensor-based AI to check occupants' health, take care of basic needs, and enhance daily life, creating an opportunity to deploy connected technology with integrity and trust, securely and positively. However, when it comes to privacy and personal data collection, there might be some non-disclosure agreements that need to be signed by the residents. However, what will happen? Only time will tell, as Toyota hopes to break ground by the end of 2021. Another interesting thing about the town is how they distribute the traffic between the cities. The entire city is connected with the help of 3 different streets, which go side by side but do not connect. The city even gets its name Woven City, which refers to 3 streets weaved together. Moreover, each street has been designated for separate traffic. One of them is for high-speed traffic only, that mainly includes cars. The second street is for low-speed vehicles like a scooter or even pedestrians, whereas the third street has been left especially for the pedestrians. Trees surround the streets, and the residents will be enjoying fresh air while traveling alongside absolute zero traffic. So no need to stay in long traffic jams and inhale pollution when you are in the Marvel City. These 3 street types weave together to form an organic grid pattern to help accelerate autonomy testing. One of the main reasons for Toyota to build this city is to test their autonomous vehicles. Launched in the previous year, Toyota's e-Palette is one such car that will be widely used in the city. Alongside providing basic services like ride-sharing and carpooling, these vehicles will be used as stands in offices, restaurants, and retail spaces. These vehicles would congregate in centrally located plazas within Toyota's prototype city to sell goods or provide services. Toyota also tends to bring humans closer, and various parks and recreational activities are set to be arranged in the city, which will lead to much more human interaction. The city's atmosphere will be clean, and the inhabitants will be breathing in the fresh air, thanks to several parks that will be installed near every street. The most important part of the city will be the Woven City Research Center. This is the place where scientists and engineers from all parts of the world would be coming to design and create all new autonomous vehicles, AI technology, and robotics. With the help of data collected from the city, research will take place, which will lead to many more identical futuristic cities. Not only in Japan, but in the entire world. The city will have various AI and robots, but one of the most important ones is the Toyota Micro Pallet. These small-sized robots will be able to deliver small packages to and from the houses. This miniature six-wheeled robot would enter the houses from a lift connected to a system of underground tunnels. They are super fast and would deliver a package in minutes. Moreover, the city's underground system is phenomenal, with every technology taking place underground, from the hydrogen fuel cells to the detailed transportation network connecting the entire city. The city's underground is extremely well planned. Well, it might take a long time for the planning to come true, but this city of the future is a place of dreams. Well, that brings us to the end of our video. Comment right below what you think of this awesome city, and would you like to live in one in the future? Before going anywhere, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thrilling videos like this one. Until the following video, stay tuned.